You're all doing well. I would like to bring to you a tutorial of how to use the land ownership map. It came up in a couple of calls now that this is a very popular feature, and I would like you to optimally use all of its features. If you go to the portal, you can scroll down, and on the left side you will see our land ownership focus map. You can click on it and you can start your exploration if you like. What pops out as a compare to the Pro map is that when you are hovering over the state and federal lands, you will see which agency is owning it. You can zoom in and you can switch on and off certain agencies like the Bureau of Land Management. And it's quite interesting to see how it is concentrated in the Western United States. Then, of course, if you are looking for parcel information, you can zoom further in, and beyond zoom 11 on the right bottom you can see what zoom level you are at. At zoom 11 you will activate the parcels. And if you go on zooming, you will also see the land ownership names. Now what you can do is you can start typing up here and filter by certain substring. Let's say you see that this person here is owning a couple of parcels and you would like to have an overview where they are involved. And if you are starting to type, you are filtering those parcels. Now, if you would like to do something with those parcels, you can hold Control and you can mark them. And you can say, okay, those are the parcels that are relevant for me. And you can also export them into a GeoJSON file, which you can import into your GIS application. If you are removing the substring, all of the other parcels are going to come back. And let's say you have another landowner that you're eyeing, and you would like to know where their lands are. Let's say this one here, KOLD, and you will see that there are some in this area, and you can mark them as well. If you don't want to hold Control and mark every parcel on their own, I will just deselect all of them. You can also select all the parcels in a certain radius. And for this purpose, we have this tool here on the top left, draw a circle. So let's say you wanted to see in a certain radius around this parcel. Let's say it's 1 mile, and you can draw this, and then you will mark all the parcels that are partially overlapping with this radius. And then you can do the same thing, you can export it. Now I said that you can access the land ownership in a couple of manners, and one of the other things that you can do is if you're on the Pro map and you are looking at a certain project that you are interested in, you can go there and you can right click and go on land ownership map. And what it will do is it will fly you into that spot where you clicked, and it will draw a couple of concentric circles around your click point in 1 mile, 5 mile, and 10 mile radius. And you can do all the same things that we just did, right? So you can filter and mark and export as you wish. And then there is a third way, which is very similar to the second one I just showed. Anywhere in a project detail, you can, in the detail map, let's say you are currently occupied with this project, but you don't want to go through all the other steps, you can do the same thing. You can go there and you can right click land ownership map, and it will zoom in on that spot and it will load. And you can do much the same thing. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you today. I wish you maximum success and a great week. See you soon. Bye-bye.